since we didn't figure out what the boost problem was, I'm not gonna drive it today. I don't feel like driving it. I really want to drive it knowing how much boost I'm pushing, because we're kind of at a limit right now on the amount of boost I can run, and I want to make sure I'm not over that, because I know the settings in the wastegate is set, the springs are set for 18 pounds of boost, and this truck's not tuned for 18 pounds of boost right now. So before we do go eat, because me and Eli here, Eli ass over there hiding, high as fuck, just out of there. Before me and Eli go eat, I think it's time to do something that I think is, it's gonna be like what the fuck to a lot of young people, but it's time because I actually retired it. So we're gonna take this sticker off finally. As you guys know, I'm not using that logo anymore. I changed it to the new logo, which is the one you see on the videos. You see the little logo to the side, it's this one right here, which you also have on the website. Check out the website, get you one of those. But yeah, it's time we're gonna remove that sticker, and until I get a bigger one of the other one, some of the stickers I've gotten alone while turboing it, I'm gonna just put them down the middle, like a little roll call up there. Leave the JCC one there, even though that bitch is peeling off already. One, so you need to check whoever gets your stickers or something on that one. But yeah, this sticker's about to come off. I'm gonna have Eli peel it off while I record, and then we're gonna put the new ones on. Bring your high ass over here, nigga. Sunbathing. This nigga is sunbathing. Y'all guys look bright as shit. It do? It ain't even cold, nigga. As you guys know, my boy's in a relationship. Y'all can't hit him up no more.
No more.
He got a girl. This nigga, goddamn nigga, made this nigga go fix the coupler at the bottom. That nigga did all over. This nigga is out of the game. He is sold up. Also, as you guys know, I do have a girlfriend too. So,
oh shit.
Don't be hitting me up. She is crazy. She will shoot you and me. So.
I felt that.
Yeah, don't hit neither one of us up. Don't hit us up. Also, my boy Kike got a girl too, so he's off limits, and she shoots too. So don't hit up none of us. We good. Now, the only one y'all can hit up is my boy Billy. My boy Billy's still looking for a boot thing, so y'all hit that nigga up.
Yeah,
it might be a boot thing. You join the squad too. But yeah, for the rest of y'all, don't hit us up. We good. We ain't trying to die. So we ain't trying to die.
I like my life. Shit.
Okay, Nate, let's take the sticker off. You gonna take it off? It's a sad, sad day, guys. Sad, sad day. This nigga gonna be here for a minute. Got it? Guys, that is a cigarette in his mouth. That is a cigarette in his mouth.
I don't smoke cigarettes.
That's a cigarette in his mouth.
Props only.
None of this stuff is real.
It's not real. It's CBD.
There you go. CBD is legal. Damn it. That sticker been on there for some years. That logo's been on this truck since I've gotten it.
Wow, for real.
And different colors. We did brush. We did. Well, first one was red. We did red, white, brushed, and back to white. Just something simple. I get one thing. Red Media did a good ass job on that sticker. That's them stickers always stuck good from them. Well, and he's done. That shit's gone, guys. I'm pretty sure it's like the one on my side window that is engraved in the wood glass. Like this, it's stained there. Well, one of the first stickers that we're about to put on is this one. Homeboy Ivan, the one that did the heads for the truck. I think I got another sticker somewhere. Got a couple more stickers somewhere. We're gonna do like I said, a little roll call, and then I gotta get my Extreme LSX sticker and put that bitch right there. So part of the roll call too. This nigga keep talking about he's sunbathing. This nigga, he's still sunbathing. This nigga talking about it's good for you. Nigga, you're gonna be dark. That's gonna be burned as fuck. Oh fuck. Make sure it lines up with that light. That shit too hard, nigga. You gonna pull the letters off that bitch. This nigga so concentrated. Joe is so concentrated. Uh-oh. She's texting you. You better answer.
No more. It's alright. She go away.
This nigga. Oh. Think that's your mom too?
Still my mom.
Get it a bitch at an angle. First new sticker on the truck right there. High power performance. Higher power performance. Shout out to that boy Ivan. Y'all go follow my boy. Y'all need your heads built or engine built. He does engine builds and head work. Engine builds, head builds, and transmission builds. So y'all hit him up. Join the team, join the squad. Now to find the next sticker because I don't remember where I put it. So now we got the second one to go on. Damn, that bitch look clean. That's a clean ass sticker right there. No lie. Even though I ain't from Poly, I'm from Southside, but that shit fucking clean. Shout out to the Poly niggas. It's a badass logo. Badass logo. Now we got the third one. There's a fourth one too. I don't know what the fuck it's at though. I think it's a cam motion sticker. Probably just leave this one on for now and then do my other one just big on top of it. Oh, I still gotta do the Extreme LSX sticker too, so we'll see.
Second, I would put that on upside down.
Right? Nah, nigga. Nigga said it's a process. That bitch gonna have bubbles like a hoe. That bitch gonna have bubbles like a hoe. Right down the middle of that bitch.
This one?
Yeah. The way you did it is like an air pocket right down the middle. And then like the art and the racing one fucking got air bubbles in it. Look at the D. Damn, that nigga, the D crooked in the bitch.
Hey, it's for character, yeah.
Damn. This nigga says for character. Man, I do give it a different look though. Got that big ass sticker just sitting there. I actually like it. Looks good. Like I said, we put the Extreme LSX one above that one and be done.
Maybe another small one.
Maybe.
Like that one.
Gonna be a badass roll call there, guys. Alright guys, it's time. Let's go eat. We hungry.
Hell yeah.
That's what this for. We waiting. I'll tell them we go eat after we done putting the stickers in. So we're done now. So now it's time to go eat. Right. That nigga been hungry.